Uh, Students, can you see this PowerPoint slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see the PowerPoint slide, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just let me go through only this slide, and I'll take attendance next. So in the second approach, as I was mentioning, okay, so before allocation means company has procured, okay, company has procured the shirts, and then after procuring or purchasing, the company needs to allocate the shirt with a particular size to each store. So it's almost that when the demand is going to happen. So when the demand is going to come, say for example, there is Deepavali festival, and at least, okay, let us say Deepavali festival is in the second week of November. So definitely customers will start purchasing shirts from November first week, the moment their salary is credited into their accounts. Okay. So at this point in time, okay, the company from the head office, okay, purchases department, they initiate, okay, to purchase the shirt, order the shirt to the suppliers, and then they are after purchasing the shirts, they are supposed to allocate the shirts to each store. Okay. So at this stage, okay, so if they ask the store manager, so how many shirts can be allocated? How many shirts should be allocated to each store? So because the moment shirts arrive into the stores, they start selling immediately. Okay, because Deepavali is in second weekend. Okay, and November 1st or 2nd, most of the employees, people will get their income credited or salary credited. Okay, and they will start buying it immediately. So ask each store manager only when the shirts to be allocated across the stores. In my example, okay, in the first week of November, for example, or last few days of October. So in this case, supplier order is aggregate. Okay, because the moment the shirts arrive in the store, immediately they start selling. So store manager will have a more accurate idea. Store manager will have a more accurate idea of how many shirts he may sell in November or during the before Deepavali, for example. So this forecasting is called as aggregate. In both the approaches, information is gathered from the store managers, of course, but the difference in approach to is just before the demand arises. Okay, the supply chain manager asks each store manager how many shirts to be allocated of a particular size. Okay, since the demand is immediate, the store manager will have a more accurate information about how many units of shirts of a particular size he may be able to sell. Okay, so that's why approach 2 is better. Then compare actual demand to forecast demand to estimate accuracy of the forecast. Okay, so once forecasting is developed, okay, and that period is over, company can always compare the actual demand. Okay, how many units were actually purchased by the customers, okay, to the forecasted demand to estimate the accuracy of the forecast. So as we have already learned, forecasting is never accurate. Okay, I'll give a very simple example. Okay, not like lakhs and crores, 100. Let us say if the company has demanded, company has developed, estimated a forecasting of 100 units of a particular size of a shirt. Okay, and if the customers purchase, let us say only 90 shirts, okay, in a given period, it means the accuracy of the forecasting is 90%. I hope we can understand. Okay, then plan for decreasing future forecast errors. So in my example, the forecasting error was 10%. Then the company can understand why this deviation happened, what factors they could not consider properly, and accordingly they can plan for reducing the forecast errors in future. Okay, so with that I'll stop for the day and I'll take attendance. In the meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask after attendance. Okay. Okay, Nishad. Absent. Aditya.
Present, sir.
Aishwarya.
Present, sir.
Akshata.
Present, sir.
Akshay Pujari.
Present, sir.
Akshay Koradkeri. Sorry, Akshay Kulkarni.
Present, sir.
Akshay Koradkeri is absent. Then Ankita.
Present, sir.
Anusha. Absent. Apeksha.
Yes, sir.
Arpita.
Present, sir.
Ashutosh.
Present, sir.
Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Prasad.
Present, sir. Yes, sir.
Supriya. Yeah, Supriya.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Divya. Divya is absent. Gautam.
Present, sir.
Geeta. Geeta is absent. Geetanjali.
Present, sir.
Guru Raj. Guru Raj is absent. Hanumant Rai.
Yes, sir.
Bhimaya.
Present, sir.
Kalaya.
Present, sir.
Karthik. Karthik. Absent. Manjur.
Yes, sir.
Manoj.
Yes, sir.
Meghna Kalburgi.
Present, sir.
Meghna Lokhande.
Present, sir.
Nagaratna.
Present, sir.
Nandan.
Present, sir.
Navya.
Yes, sir.
Nidhi.
Yes, sir.
Nikita.
Present, sir.
Pooja.
Present, sir.
Pradeep. Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Pramod.
Present, sir.
Pranjali.
Present, sir.
Prashant.
Yes, sir.
Prema.
Present, sir.
Priya. Absent. Rahul.
Present, sir.
Ram. Ram present. Okay. Rohit.
Ram present, sir.
Ram present. Rohit.
Yes, yes, sir.
Varsha.
Present, sir.
Samuel. Absent. Sharan.
Present, sir.
Sharayu.
Present, sir.
Shilpa.
Yes, sir.
Shreya. Shreya. This is Shreya absent. Then Srinidhi.
Present, sir.
Shruti.
Present, sir.
Then Shweta Kokne.
Present, sir.
Shweta Kalkeri.
Present, sir.
Snehal. Snehal is absent. Suchitra.
Present, sir.
Sudarshan. Sudarshan. Sudha. Absent. Suman. Maruf. Absent. Vaishnavi.
Present, sir.
Vishal.
Present, sir.
Sharadhi. Sharadhi absent. Okay, anybody who skipped? Anybody who skipped attendance?
Aishwarya, sir.
Aishwarya. Yeah, you are marked present. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, so those who are present all gave attendance. It's 9:56 now. We have 4 minutes. Okay, I hope I have given you the syllabus for I2. Unit 3 and
Yes.
Unit 4. There are one chapter each, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else you want to ask? We have 4 minutes this time. 2 minutes only. 2 minutes I leave early. Okay, so no queries. Okay, any news related to supply chain from newspaper? We need not get the newspaper to your home. Okay, anyway, students stop the logging out. Okay, thank you everyone. Good day to all of you. Join the next class on time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See you tomorrow again at 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Bye bye. Good day to all of you.
Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.